What's up, guys? Welcome back to my shop. Check it out. It's a shop. Ooh, what is that? Oh, is that a DJ20 jointer? I think it is. Ooh, look at that beauty. Got a good deal on this. Good deal these days. I've gotten better deals. I've found them multiple times for 400 bucks. Ended up selling a few of them. Paid 800 for this. Guy listed it on Facebook Marketplace. The second day I started looking for a jointer. So I got to get making some stuff. Got some ideas in my brain and they got to get built. So glad to have that. Not going to sell this one ever. Never say never. So today's haul. Pick this up. You guys got some lumber. I'm going to go back, buy the lumber off him. He's got some really nice cherry lumber, and I'm going to pick it up for $3 a board foot. And he's got some walnut, not as much walnut as he does cherry. Buy that for $3 a board foot as well. So, but if you guys are looking for a 66 Corvette convertible, he's got one of those for sale. I don't know if he sold it. There was a guy coming to look at it. You can find it on usedcorvette.com. Anyway, that's my first haul today. Second, a J-Line 14-inch bandsaw made in the USA, heavy cast iron piece. This is heavier than the Delta 14-inch bandsaws, if you are familiar with those. The guy listed it for $200. And I responded back. They listed it as a furnace, which is the starter brand. So I knew it was not accurately represented. So I asked for a picture on the front. So I assumed it was some older American-made machine, and I was right. The J-Line, good. They're good, solid bandsaws. This one needs the tires redone. They attempted to, but they use like a one piece that you fold around. So I'll probably buy a urethane one, clean this up a bit, and then buy new bearings for the guides. And it doesn't really need a restoration. The paint is in really good shape. Got a dust port. Not a lot of bandsaws have that dust port on the front. I have the original fence for it. It's got this nice cover, but you can see there's some paint missing here and there. But it's really not in need of a full restoration, so that's kind of nice. So this one will be given away on my Fancy Restorations YouTube channel. I'm going to try and get to 500 subscribers with this. I'm going to give it away. So got some more stuff as well from that guy. He was moving. So I sent him an offer because I really didn't want the bandsaw. I just didn't. I don't know why. So I sent him an offer of $40 if he had not gotten any others. I was like, I'll take it. But when I showed up today, he had a whole bunch of other stuff of his grandfather's. So I bought a lot more stuff. Try to help save it from the dumpster. All this stuff was going to go in the dumpster. Like really nice adjustable wrench, nice little saw. I think this bucket I paid $20 for it, so I'm not sure. $10 for this one. I saw this axe head, so I definitely wanted that to add to my collection. Got one of these older. It's got the stuff there. I saw this older Stanley square. That's worth $10 right there. So that was the money. All the saw blades, I won't want them. They're going to be trashed. But I saw a few other pieces in here. So I don't know what this thing is. Some kind of a jig. Got some squares. Look at this. Here we go. That's a nice little pipe wrench. Some others. So just trying to save stuff. I picked up a few other things here. Some drill bits, tooling, A lot of drills, some taps in there as well. I don't remember what I paid. I paid like $100 total. Yeah. So this cabinet here, I offered 20 for it. I wasn't sure what was all in there. I just saw the clamps, and some of the clamps, I knew the clamps were going to be worth $5 a piece, so I offered 20. I was trying not to bring stuff home. I hate bringing more tools home. Look at that. Maybe I need to contact Froggy Flips on this one. If you haven't seen Froggy Flips YouTube channel, you guys need to check him out. He looks for all these old toys and stuff. So I like watching his channel. But anyway, a lot of these. But when I opened the top cabinet, I saw this. This was earlier. I didn't see this when I was there. 1/2-inch drive ratchet is definitely worth $20 for sure. And everything else is, most of it's probably going to get thrown out or given away. Most likely given away. A lot of files. Sorry guys. There was something really unique. What was it? It was a tiny little pipe wrench. Let me see if I can find that. That was kind of neat. I hope it's still in here. Don't tell me I like sit it on the ground or something and didn't bring it. Nah, that stinks. Man. Oh, is that it? That's not it. I thought it was smaller than that. Maybe it was this one. But I thought it was neat. So I couldn't clean that up and restore it. That's kind of cool, huh? I don't know, but it was kind of nice. So I'm gonna take this with me. What do you guys think the little guy's worth? On the back it says, can you guys see that? Oh well, sorry. Copyright 77, 20th Century Fox. But it's missing his thing. Of course, that's probably what's worth the money, is it's missing his sash or whatever that's called. Let's see what else. I got some clamps, paid $10 for the clamps because they were worth $10. He threw this in, the vise. I'll repaint that and give it away. And then he threw this in, so I'm probably just gonna give that away as well. So I don't need it, don't want it. He threw this in, the dolly, and then I got a sliding wet saw. I don't know what brand it is though. Chicago Electric. I think that's Harbor Freight. $20. So what can you say about having a $20 thing? So pretty nice. That's my haul today. I think that was everything. I better check. Maybe I put something over here. I don't remember. Seeing, oh yeah, he threw in a bunch of gas cans. So gas cans. He did have a bike, Schwinn, newer style. This was like, I think retailed $250 from what I saw on Amazon. Had flat tires, chain was off of it. He was gonna throw that away. I didn't want it, but my neighbor and one of his friends asked if I ever saw a bike, if I can get it. So got him a bike. But that's my haul today, guys. Check those Facebook Marketplace ads and get cool stuff. So, and subscribe to Fancy Restorations because you could win this saw. Oh wait, yes, you could also win that saw. Oh, and I've got a vise behind that vise. Beep, right there. Gonna give that one away. Gonna give all kinds of stuff away. Thanks again, guys. Have fun. Appreciate you. And don't forget to troll me in the comment sections.